Welcome to Mercy Sandipani School. My name is Urvesh Yadav and today we are going to discuss about the grade 5 subject EVS and the unit 11, that is Sunita in Space. Now students, this is the chapter regarding the everyone knows about the Sunita Williams. Okay, so I hope you have heard about the Sunita Williams. Also we have discussed about her life in a live session as well. So in this video we are supposed to discuss about the chapter, that is what is the things which is covered in this chapter. Apart of this, what are the important elements and how the humanity is going to be has been discussed. This we have about to discuss. So now let's start with the main concern, that is the chapter name is based on the Sunita. So you and we are already know that who is the Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is a space traveler, a scientist who have stayed in a space for more than 6 months. So this is about the Sunita Williams, and yes, Sunita Williams is also a good friend of earlier space traveler who is basically from India, that is Kalpana Chawla. Yes, Kalpana Chawla Sunita Williams is a good friend of Kalpana Chawla, and it's about the some of the experiences only. So let's start with the chapter, that is straight from the heart. So in the topic of a straight from the heart, so it's already said that straight from the heart. What do you mean by the things which is come from your heart? Okay, so straight from the heart is like as we are staying on a earth. So we have some question that how this earth is look like and how it is big, how we are standing here, how we can surviving here on the earth. Okay, so this kind of a question may about to come, but the straight from the heart is like for a small experience how the earth is look like. I hope everyone have seen the globe. Okay, so over a globe you can see that the shape of the earth, right? So yes, the shape of a earth is like a rounded only. The shape of a globe is rounded only, but from the top and from the bottom it is bit squeezed. Okay, so this is a particular we can say a shape of a globe. Okay, yes, there is there are some part of in a globe you will see that some of our countries will be there, land is there, some of the water is also given. Okay, so which is denominated. Okay, so this is about the globe and how it looks like this, that we have a curiosity. You just analyze if for a better experience also, if you don't have a globe, but you can refer the atlas as well. Okay, so some of our discussion is going on with the 2-3 people. Now going ahead with talking with Sunita. Now after completion of space traveling, when she came back, she traveled to India. The reason behind is to travel India was, as I discussed earlier, that Sunita Williams is a good friend of Kalpana Chawla, and it was a Kalpana Chawla's dream that after completing a spaceship traveling, she wants to come in India, she wants to share the experience, she wants to visit the India. But somehow we already know that the spaceship of Kalpana Chawla destroyed, and she couldn't come to India, she is no more. So as Sunita Williams is a friend of Kalpana Chawla, to fulfill the dream of her friend Kalpana Chawla, she came to India, and in a discussion she shared a lots of experience with the school students. Okay, now In accordance of experience of space traveling or the space traveling, so Sunita Williams is sharing some of experiences which is given in the textbook as well. So as shared with the Sunita shared the experience that as you know that we are staying on earth, we are much more capable to stand, walk, swim, run on the land, but in a space the experience is quite different. Not a quite but a far differ, because of in a space if you are going there, so your hair will be down only, it will be upside, then you won't be able to walk over there. Because of it's a space, you are supposed to float over there, you will floating in the space. Okay, so this kind of experience which is shared by the Sunita Williams, which we have already discussed. This we have already discussed in our lecture. That is what was the experience of Sunita's and how it is given. So this is the photograph is given that when Sunita Williams was working in the spaceship while she was in a space. Okay, then these are some of the memories which is shared by the Sunita Williams. So here it is. So all the images is with you only. So there was a when on the date of 9th December 2006, the spaceship has took the takeoff from the Earth. Then it is the after 2 days, Sunita Williams reached into the space, and she is saying that now we won't be able to put our feet into the spaceship or to the grounded. Okay. Then there is a when they are taking a food, so food is also about to float. Okay, it is not that it will be in a dish only. It is also about to flow. Okay. Then see, when they are working and when they are doing operations, for what purpose they went over there. So when they are doing the work, so all the things were like floating around them. They are if they want to go for one point to another point, they are supposed to float over there. Okay, and this is the image where the actually Sunita Williams is in the space, not in the spaceship, but she is in the space. Like she wore all the costume, the designed costume. What is the to survive in a space? She wore it, and she came out from the spaceship to do the work, whatever the work is she needs to do. Okay, now let's going ahead. That isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing is very much interesting part, because of it's about us. Like what is the? Can you just imagine, guys? What is the reason behind that we are able to walk, run, or we can do whatever the activities we are doing, that we are able to do. The reason and the thing is the gravitational force, or we can say a gravity. Due to the gravity, we are able to sit somewhere, we are able to walk somewhere, we are able to run somewhere. That is the only thing. Like everyone knows that if any object, if we are just throwing upsides, so what is happening? For example, I am taking this chalk and I am just moving upsides, but still it is coming down only. Okay, right? So similarly, if I am taking a duster, right? See, it is come down only. See why it happening? Okay, the reason is the gravity. Okay, so now what will happen? That if the objects, if you are throwing upside and it is flow away, so obviously that will be about to float. But in a space it's quite different, because of there is no gravity. So due to that, all the things are about to float, and on the earth, due to the gravitational force and the gravity, all the objects they are just stick with the ground. Okay, मतलब जमीन से चिपक के रहते हैं. Okay, now where are the lines really? Okay, so now this is about the experience of Sunita Williams, that in the page it is given that the image of a earth from the space. Okay, this is given. So over there, what Sunita is saying, that she couldn't find any kind of a borders from the space on the moon, or any borders or something which we are watching on a globe, that there are some imaginary landings are there, which is showcasing the latitude and altitude and latitude is also not there. Only the globe, see the water was there, which is visible like blue. Yes, we know that there is no color of water, but shadow of a sky appearing on a sea, and the sea looks like a blue. So she's able to see the blue water, the land, some of her countries, some areas. She's able to see, but she was not able to see the borders. Like as we have done, like Bharat and Pakistan, there is a border. Such kind of borders she was not able to see. It looked like just a small bulb only. Okay, a blue colored ball, bulb only. Okay. Now look at the sky. It is not lock, it's a look. Look at the sky. What you are seeing? For example, if you are analyzing that what kind of changes are there in the sky, yes, there are some changes. There are different times of a sun rises, sun sets, moon rises, moon sets. Okay, there are different kind of observation is also there. There are some changes in the sky as well. So in a conversation, it's a funny conversation that look at the sky, what you are able to see. So where is the sky? They are saying, where is the space? So someone says that we know the countries, Bharat, Pakistan, so and so, but we don't know about the space. What is the space and where the sky is? Okay, so it's all that is, as we are a part of a Saurya Mandal. Okay, so moon, where the moon, even though Earth is a part of a Saurya Mandal, and we can say solar system. So all the things are in a space only, and this is about the things. Apart of this, what you need to do is you need to observe the data, that you can collect the data for some days, that when the moon is rises, when the moon sets, when sun rises, sun sets. You can take a data of for a week, and you will be also amazed that there is some time changes. Difference is that, yes. Now an interesting photograph. Now this is the most important thing which I want to share with you guys, that is the image of an earth from the moon. See, this is the image from the moon of a earth. Don't you think it looks like a half earth, right? So this is the amazing photograph which is taken from the land of a moon, which is it looks like an amazing photograph. Okay, like a spaceship went to the moon. This photograph of Earth was clicked from the surface of the moon. Now, apart of this, one thing which is Sunita have already shared with us, that we should implement these things in our daily routine life as well. That do your best and things will work out. See, as a biography of a Sunita Williams, okay, she somewhere she was not by choice, by destiny she came into the space world. Okay, she traveled to the space world. Okay, but what Sunita is saying, that no matter whether in whatever field you are, whether it is with your choice or without your choice, okay, without your interest, but do your best, the success will always come. So the same thing I also want to say that follow the things that where your interest is there, yes, you should spare the time. Where you don't have interest, at least give some time, try to know the things and you will get the ideas. Okay, so this all about the chapter number 11, Sunita in space, and this is all about the chapter. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day. All the very best.